To add a Monzo card to your Google Wallet, start by opening the Google Wallet app and clicking the Add to Wallet button, typically located at the bottom right corner. From there, select the Payment Card option, which will display all the cards and credit cards currently linked to your Google Wallet. To link a new Monzo card, tap on the New Card or Debit Card option. You will then be prompted to enter your Monzo card details, which can be done by scanning the card with your camera or manually entering the information. If the camera scan doesn't work, you can click the Enter Details Manually button and fill in the required information yourself. Once you've entered the details, click Next and review the terms and conditions, accepting them as required. You may then be asked to verify your identity, which can be done by sending a verification code to your registered mobile number or by providing a valid ID. After completing these steps, your Monzo card should be successfully linked to your Google Wallet.